Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Fontana Pharmacy has used debt financing of $650 million for the acquisition of Monarch Pharmacy. This spend was revealed in Fontana's latest cash flow statement, which indicated that this was the amount of money pumped into the competitor's pharmacy chain, which has outlets in St. Andrew and St. Catherine. Listed companies have reported financial results and passive income to investors. First up, Caribbean Cement Company Limited has advised that its board of directors at a board meeting held on May 19, 2025, recommended a dividend payment of $2.09 per share. The record date is July 28, 2025, and the proposed payment date is September 16, 2025. Then, Salada Foods Jamaica Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.063 cents per share payable on June 17, 2025 to stockholders on record as at June 4, 2025. And Seprod Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports a first quarter net profit of $849.92 million. For the trading period ending May 20, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 13,280,046 units traded, representing 45.22% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,431,574 units traded, representing 21.9% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMMB Group Limited 10% variable rate Jamaican dollar preference shares with 4,966,598 units traded, representing 16.91% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 20, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $43.41 million purchased and US $55 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.48 per dollar, selling the US at $159.49 and buying the US at $158.01. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 62 cents per transaction, with selling at $114.36 and buying at $113.74. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.73 in profits, with selling at $214.22 and buying at $207.49. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score is one of the most underrated wealth building tools you have. It's not just about borrowing, it's about creating access. Access to capital, access to better terms, access to opportunities that put cash back into your life and business. When used strategically, a strong credit score becomes a launchpad for expanding income, reducing costs, and gaining financial flexibility. You can use your improved credit score for funding an online business using personal credit at the startup phase. Alternatively, lease or finance vehicles for a rideshare or delivery side gig. When you are building something from nothing, moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, at some point you realize it's not just about the money, it's about peace of mind, dignity, and freedom. For many women over the age of 45, financial recovery comes with layers. There's the desire to regain control, the the pressure to support your family, and the quiet hope that it's not too late to build something lasting. If that's where you are, know this: you're not behind. You're in a powerful position to rebuild with wisdom, intention, and courage. Here are some suggestions. Do not co-sign loans you can't afford. Protect your credit at all costs. Create a living trust or will that reflects your current priorities. Negotiate family contributions to care-related costs. Don't carry it all alone. And finally, set clear expectations with adult children around rent, chores, and goals. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.